So I thank you all for joining today. There are a few things I wanted to discuss. Firstly, about the assignment that we are going to do. Is it audible, everyone?
Yes, Prabhu.
More than Prabhu? Thank you, Prabhu. So, with regards to the assignment that we are talking about, the test that we are going to take, I have some ideas the way we could take this forward. Just putting yesterday night, I was thinking how I could better engage each one of you. So what I want, what I was thinking is that each devotee should pick up one or two chapters from each of like 6 chapters are there. So pick up one chapter initially, and in 5 minutes you should be able to tell few things. First is that the central theme. So what is that Krishna wanted to communicate as part of this particular chapter? So that central theme in one or in 4 to 5 words or a few one sentence, you need to tell the central theme. Okay, so that's one thing. The second thing is that we wanted to get the chapter summary. Chapter summary preferably in a pictorial representation. Pictorial representation wherein you can put the central theme in the middle, and other whatever are the subjects that Krishna has discussed in that chapter. Say for instance, I'll take a classical example of second chapter. Or just yesterday we have taken already second chapter, so let me take one more chapter. So the tree, right? So the tree, say I'm just giving you, you need not pick up only these trees subject matters. It can be anything based on your reading. Okay, this is how we summarized earlier. The third chapter, Karma Yoga, what is the central theme? So central theme here is that perform your Karma Yoga and fight. That's what my, like you can put your own way. So that is the central theme. And now surrounding that, you will have whatever are the subject matters that are discussed based on your reading of that particular chapter. One is, as we have taken this module, I'm just taking, first one would be the renunciation, Tyaga. And you should be able to tell 1 or 2 words about what is this Tyaga, and then go for the rungs in the yoga ladder. That's the next theme. The third is exemplary. Fourth is enemy of the soul. These 4 you put and associate each subject that you are talking about, how Tyaga is related to the rungs of the ladder, and how is that rungs of the ladder related to my exemplary behavior, and or so that kind of a relationship between the subjects is also you need to get. And the last part is that what is the relationship of this chapter with the next chapter and also the previous chapter. So this is what you need to, and last part is that what are some of the main takeaways from this particular chapter. Maybe 4 to 5 bullet points of main takeaways. So if you can cover all these and come up with your own presentation, which you will be presenting in the class, that is what I'm expecting. I know I'm expecting little more, but I'm sure each one of you are capable of taking up this assignment. Okay, so I'll start with Govardhan Prabhu. So Govardhan Prabhu, what do you think? Is this viable? Is it possible? Can we do it?
Yes, Prabhu. Very nice idea, Prabhu. So that we can read the complete chapter, and if we can summarize it, we can learn more things. Very
Yes.
good thing.
So when said that, I would like to start with you. So which chapter from the 6 chapters you can take today evening?
Any chapter is okay for me, Prabhu. Like I like second chapter and sixth chapter.
You tell. Because I leave
second chapter and sixth chapter, Prabhu.
Which one? One you'd select first for today's evening.
Second, Prabhu.
That is the easiest.
Second chapter.
Okay. That's good. So
Sixth is also okay, Prabhu. Like if
fine,
any
let us see.
devotees are interested in second, I'll
Yeah,
go
yeah.
for sixth also.
So you take up little. Okay, let's see now. Preeti Mataji, Malti Mataji, Ramesh Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yeah, go ahead.
Prabhuji, can I take chapter 5?
Okay, so take chapter 5.
But
Chapter
to,
5.
it's a bit of a tough assignment you have given Prabhuji to us. We have to make
You all
presentation.
are, Mataji, you all are capable. And I'm, see, we,
No, Prabhuji, we have not read. At least I haven't read, Prabhuji. I have not put
it's
in
okay,
what I have to
Mataji.
put.
This entire exercise is to strengthen our spiritual and intellectual knowledge, whatever we have. So that way we become what Srila Prabhupada wanted us to become. So I am just an instrument to give that things to you, such that we all progress. So that's just take it. It's a service. So we are not doing
Pardon
for
us,
our own.
Prabhuji, for the mistake we do. We will excel in coming days, but it is our beginning. You should
Yes.
please pardon us. At least pardon me, because I haven't done
Mataji, if I was not given this opportunity, I would have not made that little progress what I made. I am not saying that I have perfected, but I am also in that process. So each one should go to that level. That's the whole point. So Mataji, so thank you very much for taking up chapter 5. You said, right? Karma Yoga, action in Krishna consciousness. Right, Mataji?
Yes, I made
Preeti Mataji.
Prabhuji.
Just take it, Mataji, no issues. We are there to help you and support you. All of us are there. Nobody is in competitive spirit. So just do it as a seva. And if you can make some kind of a diagram, I told you, a diagram where the central picture is coming. Make some diagram, one pager, wherein you are able to tell what is the central theme, what are the subjects that we are discussing, what is the relationship between subject to subject, and what is the relationship between this chapter to the next chapter. So if you can cover that in one page, you should get the entire theme of the entire that particular chapter. So that is how you can really get that. So thank you, Mataji, for picking up chapter 5. Ramesh Prabhu, Malti Mataji, and others.
Prabhuji, Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. I'll take sixth chapter, Prabhuji.
Okay. Malti Mataji, was that Malti Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. So sixth chapter you are going to take, which is Dhyana Yoga.
Dhyana Yoga. Yes, Prabhuji.
Very nice, Mataji. Dhyana Yoga for you. And those, see, one devotee, there are other devotees who will do the same chapter, but that's also good. We'll get their perspective also now. Thank you. So who else want? Ramesh Prabhu and Veeranmanlu Prabhu.
Which chapters are picked, Prabhuji? Which chapters are already picked?
Now fifth and sixth are picked. You can take the same chapter or any other chapter from the first 4.
Okay, I mean, I'll pick the 4th then, because it's if I repeat, then it doesn't serve the revision.
No. It's up to you. You are taking 4th chapter. Forget about repetition. Anyways, the other devotees will come and they will also take these chapters. And understand one thing. Within 5 minutes, you should tell everything. So it is a challenge, but again, 5 minutes is only given time for you. 5 minutes for giving all that, whatever you. That's the reason why I'm saying, put it in some paper and take a screenshot and send it to me. I will display it to everybody as a screen share, and that is what you will be communicating, because picture can speak more than words. So if you can put it in a picture form, that is really what I'm expecting.
No problem, Prabhuji. It will be a exercise for me. So
yeah. Please do that.
Any day I have to do it.
That's good. So 5 minutes is your time and 2 minutes for question answer session. So devotees will ask some questions. You should answer them based on whatever is your understanding, and I'll support wherever required. So that's what it is. So 4th chapter you picked up, and Veeranmanlu Prabhu, meer kuda cheyagara.
Third one, sir.
You will take 3rd one, Karma Yoga.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very nice. And there is one, Gordhan Prabhu will take one. Probably he's got the choice of chapter 2 now. Anyways, that's what initially he said. Okay. So Govardhan Prabhu, chapter 2, Prabhu. And
Okay, Prabhu.
chapter 1, somebody we can take. So now we are full. Okay. So I'll ask other devotees also and then get this organized. I'll send out a message also in the group such that others can also get inspired to pick it up. Anything else you wanted to communicate, Prabhuji's, Mataji's? That's it. Okay. Thank you all. Sridhar Prabhu, please join if possible. I know you. It is hard time. It is little time constraints are there for you. But if you can join today evening, that would be nice. And next 2 days,
Sure, Prabhu, sure.
please come, Prabhu. It will be nice
Yeah.
to get your association. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Anantapuri Vaishnava Brand ki jai.
Jai. Hare Krishna Prabhuji,
Hare
Dandavat
Krishna,
Pranam.
Prabhu. Dandavat.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Dhanavad, Prabhu.